Kevin, good to see you again,
What's up?
man.
Good to see you again.
Bring it in. You want to tell us what we're doing today?
What's up, guys? We're going to be doing initial R&D for the new Jeep Gladiator.
What's up, Bender fam? We took our Gladiator over to Eibach in Corona, California to R&D test fit a 2, 3, and 4-inch lift. And one of these we got to take home. But first, a tour of the factory, where they build their shocks and springs in-house. This is how Eibach pre-settles your springs so you don't lose height after install. Just like that, springs are ready for packaging. Now it's time to check back in on the Jeep. The 4-inch lift looks mean, but it's back to the 3-inch as the stock brake lines just aren't quite long enough. The 4-inch will be saved for another day. This portion of the R&D process was fun for us to experience. They test drove, revalved shocks, made sure things were straight and solid. And after seeing this, we can trust in the quality of the Eibach system. We are very excited for this setup. One last test drive after alignment on the 3-inch lift, then time to take it home. Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem. Enjoy. It looks great.
Yeah, we're stoked. It's gonna look great with 37, so we'll see that next. I'm super impressed with Eibach. They tested out a 2, a 3, and a 4-inch lift. They're super thorough, checking the spring rates and shocks, all of that. And this looks amazing. I can't wait to get in it and see how it drives. We'll, in probably 5 or 6 months, do a review video on how this handles on the Gladiator. And so if you want to see that coming up, like, subscribe, hit the bell, and you'll see our content as it comes out. This is Dylan from Trail Benders Overland. We'll see you on the trails.